everybody, this is Bob from Amazing Math, the channel that aims to make basic math more accessible and exciting. And today we'll be looking at base 100 and base 1000 method. But before we do, please take a moment to hit the red subscribe button just below the video. It's a great way to support the channel for free. And with that out of the way, let's move on. Now let's use the base 100 method on this calculation. 102 times 103. Like with the base 10 method, we draw a line behind the numbers and write down the difference versus the base number, in this case 100. So that is for 102, that is 0,2, and for 103 it's plus 0,3. I will explain in a minute why I write down 0,2 and 0,3. Next thing we do is we multiply these two numbers. 0,2 times 0,3 is 0,6. And to close off the calculation, we add up crosswise. 102 plus 0,3 is 105, giving us our end result of 10,506. Now I will explain to you why I'm using 0,2 and 0,3 here instead of just 2 and 3. Remember, in the base 10 method we only had room for one position here at the end, because a 10 only has one zero. However, we're now using base 100 method, which means 100, having two zeros, it has room for two positions behind the line. Hence we write 0,2 and 0,3 and multiplying it, giving 0,6, all two positions. So in the previous example we multiplied without having to carry over yet. Let's have a look how it works when we do need to carry over. Now let's multiply 110 with 110. Like previously, we draw a line behind the numbers and write down the difference with the base number, in this case 100. So for 110 it's 10 higher than 100, so we write down plus 10. And for the other 110 it's exactly the same, plus 10. Then we multiply 10 times 10 is 100. And I write that down here below, but notice I write the zeros in big and the 1 here in small. Remember, we're using the base 100 method. 100 has two zeros, which means we only have room for two positions here behind the line. That means that the 1 we write in small, because we need to carry it over at the end. Next step is we add up crosswise. 110 plus 10 is 120. And to finish the calculation we need to carry over the 1 here to the 120. 120 plus 1 is 121, and we just keep the zeros at the end, giving us our final answer of 12,100. So now we have seen how it works for base 100. But the same method can be applied exactly the same to base 1000, base 10,000, etc. etc. Let's have a look at another example. 1002 times 1010. Again, we draw a line behind the numbers and write down the difference with the base number, in this case 1000. So for 1002 it is 0, 0, 2. So three positions, because 1000 has three zeros. And for 1010 it is 0, 1, 0. Again three positions, because 1000 has three zeros. Then we multiply these two numbers. So 2 times 10, we fill it in three positions, is 0,20. And then we just add up crosswise. 1002 plus 10 is 1012, giving us our final result of 1,012,020. Next time we'll be doing vertical and crosswise multiplication methods for any two-digit number. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again at Amazing Maths.